to popular belief or speculations, presidential spokesman Onanuga said his principal, President Bola Tinubu, did not acquire a new official jet but a refurbished one. During an interview on Sunday's edition of Inside Sources with Laolu Akande on Channels Television, Onanuga said, "It is not President Tinubu's plane. It belongs to the people of Nigeria. It is our property." He said some jets in the presidential fleet, like a 19-year-old Boeing B737-700, purchased under ex-president Olusegun Obasanjo, are all in bad condition and their maintenance costs were outrageous. Hence, instead of spending a bogus amount of money on aircraft maintenance, President sought the approval of the National Assembly for a refurbished jet, still in good condition. Onanuga said the refurbished Airbus A330 would save Nigeria high maintenance costs in servicing the old aircraft. He urged Nigerians to prioritize the president's safety, noting that the newly acquired plane is Nigeria's property, not Tinubu's. It has been used by somebody else before he got it, but it is a much newer model than the one President Buhari used. Onanuga further emphasized that Tinubu won't take the just acquired jet with him when he leaves office, but the jet will also benefit Tinubu's successor. For more breaking news and exclusive videos, visit NaijaNews TV.